In this part, we'll focus on working with the Separate tab. The Separate tab includes powerful tools for breaking meshes into parts and reorganizing geometry. First is Separate Selected. This operation takes the currently selected triangles and moves them into a new GameObject. The new mesh contains only the selected faces, while the original mesh keeps the remaining geometry. This is useful when you want to extract part of the mesh into a separate object. The operation fully supports undo. The original mesh asset in your asset files remains unchanged. After applying the operation, the new GameObject will be marked with star, indicating that it needs to be saved. Next is Separate by Loose Parts. This operation automatically splits a mesh into separate GameObjects based on disconnected geometry islands. Each loose, unconnected part of the mesh becomes its own GameObject with its own mesh. The separation algorithm is optimized and performs efficient even on complex meshes. This makes it especially useful when cleaning imported models or preparing modular assets. The operation fully supports undo. The original mesh file in your asset files remains unchanged. Each generated GameObject is marked with star, indicating that it needs to be saved. The final operation in this tab is Split Selected. This operation separates the selected triangles from the rest of the mesh, while keeping everything inside the same GameObject. Instead of creating a new object, the selected geometry becomes a new submesh inside the existing mesh. The new submesh gets its own material slot. This allows you to assign a different material to that part of the mesh. It's very useful for creating color variation, detail accents, or material-based effects without duplicating the object. The operation fully supports undo. The original mesh asset in your asset files remains unchanged. After applying the operation, the GameObject will be marked with star, indicating that it needs to be saved.